Today is our maternity photo shoot. I am 35 weeks pregnant. Dito na tayo sa exciting part. Mas maarte ako ngayon compared to our prenup shoot. Parang mas napaghandaan ko. Our friends Roland and Dekdek actually give nila yung makeup. Tapos our photographer will be the Josa Basig. Oh my god. This is my first time working with her. Pero madalas kami dun sa self-shoot studio niya. I'm so excited. Let's go! Ate, kami itong...
Ang ganda ng text. Bigat ng naman. Nakaya.
Pointing toes. Ends. Yeah.
Okay.
Kaya daw, tawa.